have made too many requests, Steam in Meccha Chameleon. This error usually means Steam is temporarily rate limiting your downloads, especially workshop maps. Here are the real fixes that actually work. Number 1, stop spamming downloads. Most important, cancel all current map downloads. Don't retry again and again. Wait 20 to 60 minutes, sometimes up to a few hours. Steam automatically lifts the limit after cooldown. 2, fully restart Steam, exit Meccha Chameleon, close Steam completely, task manager ends Steam, reopen Steam and try again. 3, clear Steam download cache. This fixes stuck or broken request loops. Steam settings, downloads, click clear download cache, log in again, retry download. 4, change download region. Sometimes servers trigger false limits. Steam settings, downloads, change download region, restart Steam, try again. 5, remove too many workshop subscriptions. If you subscribe to many maps, go to workshop, unsubscribe unused items, restart Steam, try downloading again. 6, disable VPN proxy. Steam often flags repeated requests from VPNs, shared IPs, proxy networks. Turn them off completely. 7, restart your internet, IP refresh. Turn off router for 5 minutes. Turn it back on, retry Steam download. 8, verify game files. Steam, Meccha Chameleon, properties, installed files, verify integrity. Quick summary fix. Most of the time, this is solved by wait 30 to 60 min plus restart Steam plus change download region. If you